Our esteemed guest speaker, Ma'am Adeline Padilla Ripolidon, our venerable district adapter, EPS, Dr. Lucila R. Balhondo, Public Spirited District Supervisor, Sir Silvano S. Pinca, distinguished heads of Lawag District, to our astounding headmistress, Dr. Mary Ann I. Takmo, equally respected, altruistic, and compassionate teachers, our precious parents, to you, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a gracious afternoon to one and all. I am filled with immense gratitude as I stand here today. That, as I take glance these many corners of PM Heta Memorial Central Elementary School, I reckon the memories that made me who I am up to this moment. The ups and downs pavement we walk through in these corners remind me of the many learning experiences we all had. And personally, the path was not easy, literally and figuratively. In my young mind, the ups made me realize that exerting effort to go up to reach my destination symbolizes the hard work I bestow in order to achieve my goal as a pupil. The competitions I never imagined to join in had awakened my determination. Quiz bees, oral contests, and journalistic writing. I've been to places I never imagined to visit at my young age, like Baguio City for the National Science Quest. These learning experiences strengthened me and made me feel elated and thankful for the people who have given me the opportunity to grow. Teacher Rosalie Abroad, Teacher Arlene Pinca, Teacher Cynthia Diana Nias, Teacher Clarinda Dula, Teacher Rosella Mendoza, Teacher Brenda Pinca, and Teacher Enrique Galero as my second parents from kinder to grade 6. Likewise, to Teacher Katrina Pinca for believing my scientific aptitude. Teacher Loida Rocha for rearing my writing competence. Teacher Jerica Notarte for developing my dancing prowess. Teacher Evelyn Asadera for nurturing my musical skill in playing ukulele. Teacher Janet Basiloy for instilling my discipline in sports. And to all the other teachers of PM Heta who believe in my capabilities, especially when I doubted myself. The downs was quite easy than ups, for perspiration is less. But I know I should be careful, for the downfall hurts more if I stumble. These are but the failures I experienced in my early age. These when doubts bothered me and fears confronted me. But here I am today, obviously with a divine intervention and the untiring guidance of our teachers and my family in constant support of all my aspirations in life. I made it today. To God be all the glory for all this became possible because of His bountiful blessings, unconditional love, and the relentless guidance. PM Heta Memorial Central Elementary School is a garden. It is where our young minds bloom, our knowledge take roots, and our lives started to grow. We are the variety of plants with diverse qualities, growing up healthy and radiant. And this became possible because of the many wonderful elements surrounding us. Our light and water, sa aming mga masisigasig na mga guro at minamahal naming mga magulang. Taos-pusong pasasalamat at pagsaludo po ang aking alay. Our generation, the Gen Z, as perceived by many, is uniquely complicated and diverse. But you still managed to instill many things in us, touched our lives, and accepted and loved us wholeheartedly. To my friends, this journey wouldn't be as colorful as the rainbow without you. It lightens everything in me. Gen Z tayo eh. Words are not enough to express how grateful I am for the people behind all these endeavors, but rather the assurance that in every step of my journey, your advices, inputs, and the learning experiences I had with you will be imprinted in my heart. Malayo pa, pero patuloy na maglalakbay para sa tagumpay. Today, we are celebrating a big moment, our graduation. This shows how hard we have worked and how much we achieved. This is just the end of a chapter in our lives, because there is still more ahead of us. So let us savor this moment for forever. This will serve as a treasure worth keeping. As Taylor Swift's song poses, long live all the magic we made. May these magical and delightful experiences continue in our next endeavors. Thank you and a wonderful day to all of us.
Thank you, Amalthea A. Fabregas, with high honors.